So I found this old trunk and I decided that it would be the perfect thing for like a art case. So what I had to fix was like the handle was coming off. I wanted to take off these things that were supposed to hold clothes, but it was big enough and it was strong enough to hold all my stuff inside of it. But I also had to fix a breakage inside the flap that was covering one of the other sides. And I just had to clean it up and like get rid of this old cloth and stuff, and just to make it look nicer. And I didn't show this in the video, but I actually went in and screwed the thing back in by itself. I wish I got film of this, but I didn't. But what you'll need for this is you'll need about 2 yards of fabric, some scissors, some E6, a stencil. I got this world map from my mom, but she got it from Amazon. I had hot glue, a glue gun. Sorry, I'm terrible at filming. And then I got a wood burner, and it's my first time using a wood burner, so I decided to use a stencil with it. And I'm sorry, I'm just showing everything backwards, but yeah, this is all that you'll need. My first step was to cut out these ugly, I guess they were supposed to hold the clothes, but I cut those out, and I also cleaned up this line up here and cut some of this stuff out too. Then I measured how long the case was, and I also how the width and the length of it, and then I cut out about 4 fabrics, like 4 pieces of cloth, and 2 of the cloth I'll show you later, like you're gonna make holes in it, but the first 2 I actually glued an E6, I think 600, 6000. I glued those into place in the front and the back. And then on this little panel thing, I'm going to actually, where the little holes are, I'm going to cut a hole in each of my fabric. I'm going to mark it. I'm going to put the fabric over it and mark it. And I'm also, I didn't show this either, I put a little flap of cloth right here just to cover up this ugly seam. So just like this, you're going to mark where your circles are and stuff, and then you're going to cut it. And then after that was done, I started my wood burning, and I did this outside. If you're not over 18 or at least 18, please don't do this because it is very dangerous and it gets really hot. And be careful when you're doing this, because at the end of this you'll see like it kind of slides out and skips like just like that, and it was really hard. After I was done burning it, I took my stencil and I spray painted over it too, just to add a little pizzazz, because I just wanted it to look like you could see the outline, but it didn't look as good. But once I spray painted it, it looked kind of cool. And you don't have to make this an art case at all. You could actually use this as just like a traveling bag if you wanted. But I really just wanted an art case, something big that can hold all my art supplies instead of a shoebox. And then once I was done spray painting and stuff, I started to put my supplies in it, like in the side, because I kept these little green pouches over here. I wish they were blue, but I didn't know how to cover those, but I wanted to keep the pouches. So I just left them, and I just put some of my glue sticks and stuff all in it. And once that was all in, like everything that could fit into the sides, I realized that I needed something to hold down some of my boxes, and so my stuff didn't slide. So I got these Velcro things and some wrapping Velcro too, so you see in the corner that I wrapped some of my supplies, and I basically stuck those on the back of them and stuck them all in there. And on the other side I did this for the front, and the glue gun is stuck to it. Actually, there's Velcro on the back of that, and there's Velcro in the front. And then I'm just showing you all the pockets and stuff that I put all my stuff in. And that's actually stuck down as well. I put double Velcro in that. And everything's tied. And on the other side, I did the exact same thing, but this time I actually just wrapped everything and only Velcroed like the glycerin. I didn't Velcro the spray paint bottle because I probably will run out of that soon. But I just Velcroed all my art supplies and stuff. And here's some of the final looks. Sorry guys, this is like my first video of filming, and I'm not the best editor, but these are some of the final looks. I'm very proud of this like last product. It was really good. It sometimes, like, since the red box is so heavy, it kind of leans and it scares me, but please like and subscribe if you enjoy this video.